earn PayPal money fast. No minimum cash out limit. Okay, so that's what we'll be talking about today. But first, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I make videos about making money online. I have hundreds of videos on my back catalog that you're going to want to check out to make some money. Indeed, indeed, indeed. So let's get right into this. So this is a website here. It's a survey site, and there's no minimum payment out for this one. So if you need some really quick cash and you got some time to do these little surveys here, go to this site, check it out, fill out the stuff, do all the questionnaires and all that stuff. You can see here, I mean, it's 55 cents in 21 minutes, 24 cents in 14 minutes, 38 cents. I've done some of these that actually go faster than the time they say here. I mean, because obviously that's not a lot of money that you're going to make. So I'm going to show you some other extra apps at the end of this video, so stick around. The video's not that long actually, so I'm just going to do a quick video today. So it's really quick. You just do these surveys here. Put as much information as you can in your profile. That way you can get more surveys geared towards you. I just did a few right now. I have 56 cents here. Big deal. PayPal. All my rewards. Cash out. Bam. And I'm done. So instant. There's no minimum payment. You don't have to wait till $25 or any of that stuff. And here's the iOS store ratings. There is an Android app and an iOS app. This is 4.5 out of 5. And for Android, they get 4.2 out of 5. So pretty cool. I mean, it's like, again, it's surveys. You're not going to make a ton of money, and you're going to spend some time doing so. So here's some extra apps that you can check out to get some money from. I'll put a link in the video description below for this, but this is a website that I use where I promote all kinds of different apps and stuff like that. This is a free website. Here's my cash apps. You can actually, if you want to get into a full-time job of, self-employment, check out Learn Affiliate Marketing, make a full-time income, make money online, how to become a secret shopper, and all that stuff. There's just little side hustles. This is more for creating a full-time income. But here's some cash apps. These will pay you $5 for Cash App every time you refer a friend. So if you already have a Cash App, you could use this website I'm showing you here to promote your Cash App link. If you're not a member or don't use it, you use my referral code, which you get $5. Dosh is another cool one where you refer people, you get $5. Sometimes it's 7, sometimes it's 10. It flips around. But there's a bunch of apps here that you can check out to make some more money just by referring people, and they're actually really cool apps to use. So that is it for today. Just a really quick video. Subscribe to the channel. I have hundreds of videos on my back catalog. As I said, I'll pop it up on the screen here. That is it. Talk to you soon.